How to add filter in KineMaster. Adding filter gives your video and images more appealing look, so you gotta add filter and make it look more attractive. So I'll teach you how to do it. Let's dive right in. First, import a video and photo. Once you import it, tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will get these options right here. Go and you can see filter right here. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, okay, let me see the video first like this. Now you can choose from here whichever you want. Let me choose one and choose it from here like this. Okay, so I've analyzed it and choose it. I like this one. Okay, so let me choose this. Now once you choose it, go back. You can also choose from here like this. You can choose any you like. Once you choose it, go back, and you can also adjust it from here. Adjust it. Once you have adjusted it, okay, it looks super good. Now play a video. And that's it. You just added your effect in KineMaster and make your video look super good. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out any of the videos. Thank you for watching.